In this video, I'm going to show you how to translate text on photos on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Photos and then open up some photo that contains text. It can be a screenshot or something like that. Then you can pinch to find the exact text that you want to translate, and then just hold down on the text to select it, and then you can select whole text that you want to translate, and here tap at that arrow icon to show up translate feature, then just tap on it. Now there it says that Bulgarian is not currently supported for translation, but that's a mistake of iOS because that language is Russian, so I can hit there at choose language, and from that list I can select Russian, and now there, as you can see, I got the translation. Data операции translates as date of operation. And now there I can tap here at copy translation to copy it to clipboard, and then I can open up some app where I can save the text and then just paste it right there. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.